What up? Just finished putting on these new HPS hoses. Oh yeah. All new hoses. Hopefully it runs good now with these on it. Not leaking as bad. I gotta get new gaskets for these little, I guess they're intake orifice connections. New gaskets for those. But other than that, pretty solid so far. Got this guy. It's all the way back there. All these. Oh yeah. How about that? Looks beautiful. Now I just need to get that Valent filter cleaner and get my filter looking blue again, like it's supposed to. Fucking K&N cleaning kits. Only thing I could find, so I had to do with what I could get.